In this episode of Made In, we head to 6 nations located on the beautiful Grand River to explore the OSTTC facility.
Scano. Welcome to Guyana State. My name is Kahentakeron Deer. I am the Cultural Coordinator for OSTTC, and I am here to introduce you to Guyana State, the ecological restoration company found here in 6 nations of the Grand River. Guyana State as a company offers ecological restoration services, invasive species management, and they work on a number of large-scale projects doing tree planting and planting herbaceous plants. They incorporate the culture of the Grand River and the Haudenosaunee people into their practices as well. We have certified seed collectors here, and we're constantly training and scouting the area for native seeds, native plants that are indigenous to the area, and that's what we grow here. Started back in 2006 as a way to restore habitat in the Red Hill Valley Expressway project in Hamilton. The Longhouse here provides a space for students and staff and potential employers to come in and to learn about the culture of the Haudenosaunee and 6 Nations. And we work with not just the 6 Nations community, but with communities across Ontario, Indigenous communities and non-Indigenous communities and students as well. So they come in to get their welding tickets, to advance their careers. And another aspect is the tourism. Cultural tourism, ecotourism is sort of what it's designed to introduce. So this is sort of our bridging our ecological culture with our historical culture. And so when we bring our students here for their cultural components of their courses they're taking at OSTTC, we bring them here, we do wellness workshops, we paddle on the river in canoes and kayaks, we do archery, all sorts of fun activities and education as far as history of the community, history of our people here in the Longhouse. Longhouse started operation 2016, 2017 after it was built. And so we've been running tours here ever since, and we've had tourists here from all over the world to see our culture and to connect with other Indigenous people from around the world.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Made In. If so, why not hit the subscribe button? Head over to edgefactor.com, create a free account. There are many more videos like this.